I've prepared the horizontal option of the banner in 16:9 per side. You may choose any other option which is fit to your project. Select the asset you need to use in the project and drop all necessary images into the Uploader field in Canva. Drag and drop each image layer after layer. I prefer to begin from the background and then add the other PNG files step by step. Select and adjust the desired size for each image. In the text settings, find the best style for your project and drag it into Layout. Change the color. You may also find a border in Canva Elements. I choose the thick border with transparent body. At the end, as the front layer, select some shapes to detail and design the border. Thus you add the depth effect for your design. Click the Download button at the right corner and select the suggested file format to save your project locally. Here you are. You may explore the other ways how to use these graphic assets for your ideas. Be creative and happy. Thanks for watching this video.